Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to move an emoji using your face on TikTok. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application and I'm going to upload a video to my TikTok, so we can tap on this plus button and tap on the upload option, and I'm gonna go with this video. Tap on the video to add to our TikTok. And if you want to move emoji using your face, you can tap on the stickers right here and tap on the emoji option. And you're going to select an emoji that you want to add to your video. And I'm going to go with this emoji. Okay. And here we can move emoji using our face. You can tap on the emoji and we can tap on pin. Tap on the emoji and tap on pin, and here you can adjust the position. For the first position, I'm going to place it right here to cover the face of the girl, and for the second position, like this, and you can do it one by one until the rest of the video, like this. Okay, and I think it looks good. And after that, we can click on pin and just wait for a moment until the process is completed. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can move emoji using our face on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.